Today in this video, we'll have a look at the base 2022 Outlander ES. Now the new Outlander comes in 5 different trim levels. Starts with the ES, then SC, LE, SEL, and the fully loaded GT. Now the entry level is the ES base. Let's have a look how it's equipped from the factory, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Typically, when we look at any manufacturer's base or entry-level trim levels, they're designed to look and feel exactly like that, like the base vehicle that just motivates you to purchase the next trim level or upgrade to something higher up. In my opinion, Mitsubishi is not the case. Already equipped very well visually and option-wise in the base ES trim level. The all-new Outlander is completely redesigned and ready to deliver. It definitely has kept its own unique identity and innovation. And now, by the way, super all-wheel control and 7 seats are standard on all of the Outlanders. Outlander has been Mitsubishi's best-selling nameplate for years. And by simply looking at this vehicle, it's clear that its trend is here to stay. When we look at the vehicle, a couple things stand out. First of all, there's a lot of chrome accents around the lights right here on both sides. And a very interesting feature is the headlamp and daytime running light design. So your headlamps are actually right here. They're LED, and the daytime running lights are up here. Overall, this gives Mitsubishi a very solid, safe, and sporty looks. The 2022 Outlander has only one engine option, and it's a 2.5 liter with 181 horsepower. From the side, Mitsubishi has a horizontal design with 2 distinctive lines going up top right here, and the bottom one over here, which kind of ties into the entire design of the vehicle, giving it a solid, clean, sporty, and unified design. The standard wheels are 18-inch aluminum, good design, clean looks. So the rear has very nice T-shaped looking taillights, which it's kind of hard to see right now because it's daytime. It really comes to life when it's dark, but that gives the vehicle more solid, wider, sportier, and aggressive looks. Trunk here actually hides 7 seats, so the 3rd row seat, it's hidden right here. And we have option of folding it down for extra cargo space or flipping it up like this in case you might need the extra seat for your passengers. An interesting thing is a hidden or not so hidden cargo hook. So basically you do have a cargo hook right here, which is super convenient if you go grocery shopping. You can hook the grocery bags right here or tie your cargo that you're hauling to prevent sliding side to side. And you do have these cargo hooks on both sides. Super convenient and very nice touch. Now let's have a look at the interior. When we open the door, first thing we notice is very nice soft touch materials used here. Cloth right here. The interior has a cloth interior, but it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. Actually nice solid feel. The panel, we have soft materials used throughout, which is nice to touch and actually reduces the road noise in the cabin. For the convenience of the 2nd row passengers and 3rd row passengers, the 2nd row actually slides forward and backwards like this for extra legroom, and you also can recline the back. So you have lots of adjusting options right here. So the interior of the Outlander is the horizontal design, gives a nice, clean, simple looks, and yet it feels very modern and up to date. It does have a 9-inch touchscreen right here, and already with the base vehicle you do have the push to start button, so we can start it up. Now this one has the dual climate control. The driver can adjust its temperature, and so can the passenger. Very nice feel to the steering wheel, by the way. It's a very nice thick steering wheel, and it has this perforated leather. Gives you a sense of sporty feel and solid looks as well. So even on your entry-level Mitsubishi ES, you have lots of safety features standard. Forward collision mitigation, blind spot detection, and lane departure system. We don't see it in this screen, but you also have a rear traffic alert and emergency brake. So if you're backing up, you didn't notice a car or somebody in the back, the vehicle is going to brake for you. A really nice feature is also this display here, which changes images as you go through the selections. Snow, gravel, normal, echo. Gives you a very nice looks. And it's actually very nice and clean and crisp images. So this is the knob that you're changing your driving settings with, from off-road, snow, gravel, all the way to normal and echo. And the shifter right now looks like this, that we can shift the gears with. Now that we checked out exterior and interior of the vehicle, let's take it out for a drive. Okay, putting in reverse, it does have backup camera, of course, and the lanes as well, so it shows you kind of direction where you're heading. Pretty standard on almost all of the cars these days. The new Outlander has only one engine option, and it's a 2.5 liter engine with 181 horsepower. It is paired with a CVT transmission. And let's see how it drives. Now, definitely one of the first things that stand out is the new interior. It's much, if we compare to the old Outlander, it's much bigger, roomier, gives you way better sense of good feel and solid drive. Another thing that definitely stands out is the solid, thick steering wheel. Okay. Obviously, with CVT transmission, there's no shifting gears. You don't notice that. And being a 4-cylinder engine, you will have a little bit of more noise coming out of the engine compared to, say, like a V6 or turboed engine. But overall, I'd say it drives really nice. Solid feel. So to recap, there's a lot of awesome features on the 2022 base ES Outlander, starting from super all-wheel control being a standard equipment, all the way to push the start button, 7 passenger seats, and bunch of safety features included already on an entry-level vehicle.